Hi guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another brand new video to show you guys on how you can log into your OnlyFans or sign up to your OnlyFans by your Twitter account. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up your Google Chrome and then search for OnlyFans. After that, these results will be on your screen. Click on the first link that says OnlyFans, and now this will take you to the official site of OnlyFans. And here you can see an option for signing with Twitter. If you click on this, you can see you'll be transported to a different page where now you need to input your Twitter account credentials in order to sign in from your Twitter account on OnlyFans. Now just input your username or email and then click on sign in. And if you want this site to remember your account, you can also click on remember me box and you can tick this. But I would not recommend you doing so if you are on a public computer. And now that's how you can sign up on OnlyFans by using your Twitter account. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.